Welcome back to Decoding AI for You, the 5-minute deep dive. Hey there! If you're anything like me, you've probably heard all the buzz about AI, but wondered if it really applies to our world in housekeeping. Well, I've been looking into generative AI, and trust me, it's not just hype. It could seriously transform the way we run our hotel's housekeeping operations. So, what exactly is generative AI, and what can it do for us? Simply put, generative AI, it doesn't just analyze data, it uses data to create smarter solutions and predictions. Imagine never again dealing with rigid cleaning schedules that don't fit guest preferences. With generative AI, we'd have schedules automatically tailored to each guest's needs, check-in and check-out times, and even overall hotel occupancy. This means fewer wasted hours and happier guests who feel genuinely cared for. Picture this. A guest arrives and their room is cleaned precisely when they want it, no questions asked. That's the power of personalized scheduling with generative AI. Our housekeeping team wouldn't be spending precious time cleaning rooms unnecessarily, improving our overall efficiency and freeing staff to handle more important tasks. And what about handling urgent requests like spills or immediate towel replacements? AI systems can instantly adjust our team's priorities, ensuring quick responses that impress guests and simplify our workflow. Here's another exciting part: robots. Yep, robot cleaners are already here, and they're becoming a valuable part of hotel housekeeping. These robots tackle routine cleaning tasks, like vacuuming and disinfecting rooms and common areas, keeping standards consistently high. It's not about replacing our team members, but rather letting robots handle repetitive tasks so our human staff can focus on providing great guest experiences. But how do we ensure the robots are doing their job right? AI-powered quality control systems continuously monitor and ensure cleaning standards. Think of it as having a digital assistant who's always got your back, making sure every room meets our high standards. Maintenance is another big win with generative AI. Imagine knowing exactly when a laundry machine or an HVAC system is likely to break down before it happens. Predictive maintenance uses AI to analyze equipment data and identify potential issues early, saving us money, preventing downtime, and ensuring our guests are never inconvenienced. All these pieces, scheduling, cleaning, maintenance, can come together on platforms that coordinate everything smoothly. Solutions like Room Raccoon use generative AI to optimize housekeeping routes, manage real-time scheduling, and even automate guest communications. It's all about creating a streamlined, connected workflow. Of course, adopting AI does come with some challenges. Ensuring we maintain our personal touch and hospitality, integrating AI with existing systems, managing data privacy, and training our staff are crucial considerations. Starting small, running pilot programs, and focusing on tailored AI solutions for our specific needs can help us overcome these hurdles effectively. Looking to the future, generative AI promises even greater personalization, smarter predictive maintenance, and advanced real-time monitoring thanks to connected IoT devices. Imagine sensors tracking our linens, cleaning supplies, and equipment, feeding insights directly into an AI system for proactive management. It can also boost our sustainability efforts and enhance quality assurance through continuous feedback from guests. Looking ahead, the future is exciting. We'll see check-ins become almost entirely automated, AI handling even the most complex inquiries, and personalization reaching levels we've never seen before. Room assignments will be smarter and more strategic, ensuring every guest has the ideal experience. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the resources in the description, which includes our deep dive report, provides a detailed analysis on generative AI within your industry. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next episode of Decoding AI for You. Thanks for watching Decoding AI for You. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep exploring the future of AI together. See you next time.